And welcome my beautiful friend, here with Max l'Italiano, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful chocolate salami with 3 simple steps, nothing else. Let's start. Here we have water bath or bain marie and dark chocolate, 52% dark chocolate. Now, if you want to use a 70% dark chocolate, it's not gonna be a huge problem. The only thing is gonna be a bit less sweet and more bitter. This, guys, is up to you, is up to your palate, is how you like it. Now, let's start. Bowl on the pot and dark chocolate in. And here we have the butter that needs to be melted but not hot. And here, guys, we have espresso ristretto. What does it mean, ristretto? Shorter. In English means shorter. An espresso ristretto is much stronger and shorter. So how you can get this result using a mocha at home? Simply adding less water in the pot and more coffee in the filter, in the small basket. Doing so, you will have the best result for this recipe. Now we are going to add our broken biscuits into the chocolate. Here we have parchment paper and hand scraper. If you don't have it, it's gonna be perfectly fine. And now let's start to turn our mix into a real salami. It is ready to go in the fridge for at least 3-6 hours. If you wanna have a better result, I suggest you to leave it for 12 hours, let's say overnight. And this is the result after 7 hours in the fridge. And now let's complete it with icing sugar. And my beautiful friend, this is the final result. Guys, this is so beautiful, so elegant. But now is the most important moment because we are gonna slice it and see how it looks inside and not just outside. And guys, this one is literally amazing.